coronavirus, a word that existed for many years, but was rediscovered by the general population 4 months ago. So why are there so many different types of names for coronavirus? Let's break things down a bit. Coronavirus is a type of virus and has actually been around for many years and was discovered in the 1930s. However, a strain of the virus which causes the disease COVID-19 is new. This new coronavirus's name is officially SARS-CoV-2, but the reason we call it COVID-19 is because that is the disease it creates when it is inside us. It was a bat virus that passed through a pangolin and developed the ability to jump species and transmit through people, causing this global pandemic. Since 2002, there have been 3 coronaviruses to do this. SARS in 2002, MERS in 2012, and SARS-CoV-2 are 3 coronaviruses that caused widespread epidemics and pandemics. So how does COVID-19 even spread? Well, droplets from an infected person who coughs, sneezes, or even talks can end up on another person. And if those droplets land in another person's mouth, eyes, or ears, they have a chance of being infected too. COVID-19 is so effective in spreading because the infectious period, which is the period that someone infected with COVID-19 can transmit the virus to another person, begins 2 days before the start of signs and symptoms of the virus and can last about 10 days or more. Sometimes a person can be infected with COVID-19 and not even get sick. These people are asymptomatic, and they will not feel any signs or symptoms throughout the whole time they are sick, but can still infect others. So how do we know how many people are going to get sick? Well, we have a mathematical term called an R-naught, which indicates how contagious a disease is. It is the number of people an infected person will infect if all the people are susceptible to infection. For example, if the R-naught of a virus is 5, that means the person will infect 5 other people if no other person has a vaccine or immunity to it. If the R-naught of a virus is less than 1, it means the infection will cause less than 1 infection, and the virus will die out eventually. If the R-naught is 1, it means the infection will cause 1 other infection. The disease will stay alive, but there will not be any outbreaks or pandemics. If the R-naught is more than 1, the virus is going to infect more than 1 person and will be likely to cause pandemics or outbreaks. Right now, the R-naught of SARS-CoV-2 is between 5 to 6 and not the 2 to 3 originally thought. So if the infected person spreads it to 5 other people, there will be 6 people with the disease. And if each of the 5 other people spread it to 5 other people, there will be 31 people who have the disease. And if each of the 31 people spread it to 5 other people, you can see how big the number will rise. Even small R-naughts can create large outbreaks. The R-naught is always changing due to virus mutations, immunity, and how people react to it. Having the R-naught come to less than 1 is important because it can help end the disease. By having effective social distancing measures, quarantining when you are sick, staying 6 feet apart from another person, washing your hands for at least 20 seconds, and just hygiene in general, we can stop the spread and get back to what we call normal.